Accountability is one fundamental aspect of leadership that can either propel our teams to new heights or hold them back in a cycle of blame and fear. As it turns out, people perceive accountability in one of two ways, and the type we cultivate as leaders will significantly determine how our teams perform. First, let's discuss threatening accountability. This is the punitive approach most of us are familiar with. It involves reprimanding people for their mistakes and failures, creating a culture of threat and blame. Imagine a scenario where an employee misses a deadline. The typical response might be to call them out in a meeting, perhaps even questioning their competence. While this may seem like a way to enforce discipline, it often leads to a culture where employees are afraid to take risks or innovate. They are more focused on avoiding mistakes than achieving excellence. Contrast this with worthy challenge accountability. This approach views taking ownership of a task as an opportunity for growth and sees missteps as chances to improve. Picture this: the same employee misses a deadline. Instead of reprimanding them, you sit down and discuss what went wrong and how it can be fixed in the future. You encourage them to see this as a learning experience. This not only helps the employee grow but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and innovation.